I got UDRC here. I got my CEN F450 truck out today. I'm gonna give it my first run. Had it for a while, just haven't had time to get it out here and run it. I love the way the light hits the gunmetal body and those red rims. Love the combination. I put some red body pins on it, kind of accented it off, make it look real good. I actually got a tow hitch here. Mine up in the back. Shout out to my boy, VA boy. He also got the CEN truck, and he came up with this hitch as well. So he told me we got it from off Amazon, and went ahead and threw it on there. It's a good little fit. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my first run on, guys. First ever run. Got a I think 3S lipo in here. Well, obviously it's not super fast, but I didn't buy it for it to be fast. It definitely does some drifting. It looked really good coming down the road. Do a little drifting. But this is all stock out the box. Didn't change the gear or transmission, none of that stuff. You got some pretty good get up and go. But again, I didn't buy it for speed. I love the way it looks. It's mostly gonna just be pulling like my little crawlers and stuff around. This video's gonna be pretty short. I mean, it's not really much to really say about this guy as far as, you know, the specs. I already went through that. A lot of videos out there. But put out on the grass, drive around a little bit. Yeah, definitely drive on the grass like no problem. Handles the grass, as you guys can see. I wonder if it would do some snow. Let's give it a try, guys. It's a little high getting off on there, but we'll see. It probably won't clear. It's a little high. But anyways, yeah, just driving around, guys. Just having fun with it. I love the way it looks. It drives pretty smooth. The turning is pretty good. No drift there when I'm turning. It says not super fast, but it's just a great looking truck. It handles really good, pulls straight. Pretty much what I expected of it. But for the most part, man, I just love the way the truck look. I'm gonna drive it with this little ice patch here. Stop, I'm gonna go. Yeah. Made it through it. Through this little snow patch here again. The bumper got hung up right there. It's ice. Yeah, definitely not for the ice like the CEN truck was, but definitely drive on the grass. And besides, not really a eventful video, but it's my first run. She definitely handles pretty good. Drives the way I thought it would have drove. Yep. I mean, that's pretty much it, guys. Like I said, this truck will mostly be what I use to pull cars around. But again, overall, it's really just the look of it, man. I just really love the way it looks, the colors. One of my favorite type of truck, as far as dually, not necessarily the Ford, but dually. But the Ford does look good as well. And I drove one back when I was like 18 for the first time. I wasn't even sure what kind of truck that was, why it was so wide. And I'm gonna tell you, I was turning into, I used to work on cars back in the day, and I was turning into the shop, man. And I didn't realize you kind of have to turn it out wide and pull it in. And I ripped the right rear fender off, man. It was a red truck. It was a GMC. It was like GMC Sierra dually. Man, I ripped that thing off, and that guy, he loved that truck. It was always waxed and clean. I felt so bad. So they had to give him a whole new bed and paint it up and all that good stuff. That was my first time driving one, and I tore that fender off when I drove it. So when you're driving these real trucks, you gotta make them wide turns and watch that flare on the side. But anyways, that's a little story from back in the day with these trucks. But I love the way they look. I just love the aggressive look. But again, CEN F450 Ford dually. And thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one.